Hello guys, hope you are doing fine. This is another video, another airdrop. This one could be huge actually, because this company Wormhole, they had a lot of funding, a lot of money poured into building a huge web of Web3 as they call it, and there are many parts of it, many products, many things. It's been developed, and one of these parts will be obviously their token, which will be launched hopefully this year. We're not sure yet when, but this gives you a great chance and opportunity to get on the airdrop. And just want to quickly remind you, we've got this giveaway as well on my Twitter. I'll put the link down below. You can win one of 3 Solana rewards, each of them $5 free money. I'll just send you. Results will be on Sunday, and everyone that posts here, retweets, comments, and joins the Telegram will be in a chance to win that. So very quickly, let's go into the meat of it, because really it's a very interesting project. I don't want to bore you with the details, but they are very big. They are paired with Circle as well. As I said, a lot of money going in. What is that in a nutshell? This part here, the main one that you can already start using and start getting yourself into the airdrop, is the bridge. The bridge basically means you can bridge between different networks. If you've got money on one, you can move it to the other. And here down below, I'll put the link to this page in the video as well, but here down below you just click on the advanced tools, which is the more important bit. As you can see, you can bridge tokens, NFTs, and redeem. Okay, if there is some problems with your transactions, because with bridging it's not that straightforward. There are a couple things I will tell you in a second, but you can go there later to the wormhole scan as well, paste your address, see what's going on with the transactions, because sometimes they can take quite a while, even 1 hour or something to bridge. So just be careful with it. And the other thing, very important, I'll just say it straight away, depends which network you send it to. Let's say you want to send from Solana to, let's say, Avalanche or something. You have to remember they won't be able to send the native token. So let's say you want to send Solana to Avalanche. Obviously on Avalanche the native token is AVAX, and the native token simply means that it's used for all the transactions. So if you don't have anything on the other wallet, you would have to top it up in some way, either send money from exchange or top it up inside the wallet, like they allow that, let's say, to buy inside the wallet. Let's say on Avalanche or different networks, you can buy inside the wallet as well. So let me just quickly show you how to go through this. Basically, all the transactions you do, all the interactions with the portal, with the other parts of Wormhole, which will be later unveiled, will get you on the airdrop list. And obviously they will know because you are connecting your wallet to them. So let's say I'm gonna connect now my Phantom, or if you have as you can see, all the other wallets, MetaMask, not here, Exodus, if you use Exodus, Coin98, Phantom is very popular now as well for all the networks. And as you can see, if you connect the wallet, I can choose, let's just stay with this one, select token. As you can see, it's going to tell me that I have nothing on the other one, and I've got some Sol, but as I said, I don't have on this wallet, I don't have any Avalanche on the target network. That's where the problems will be. So this is mostly going to be used if you want to shift the money. Let's say you've got already some money in Solana and you've got some in Avalanche, and you want just to move some money, I don't know, stake somewhere, or if you find some good platform, that's how you would do it. And as you can see, it's asking me on Avalanche, they're using MetaMask. So I'm gonna switch on my MetaMask to Avalanche. Okay, so this one allows me actually, so this is cool because this is the source wallet from Solana, which is Phantom wallet, and this is a destination on Avalanche on my MetaMask, which is pretty cool that they have, obviously you're sending from one address on Solana to your other address on MetaMask, which is cool. And as you can see, some of the bridges sometimes were allowing you, they were sending you very small amounts that they already covered in the fee. They sent you like a small amount of the native token, and you could easily then do something with it, like convert it or send it later on. But this one you have to manually pay, as you can see, in the native token. So luckily I've got some Avalanche in the other wallet, but obviously you have to remember that, and then you can simply start the process. I'm not gonna start it because I don't want to send money to Avalanche at the moment, but that would how it would all work, and you could use it in many situations like that. Basically we are going towards this kind of DeFi part where you have to use a lot of networks. Something interesting will be happening on some networks and you won't have money in there. You can either top up straight away on that network, or if you have more money on some other network, simply bridge it like that. And Wormhole, obviously if you use it a lot, then they will allow you to join the airdrop, which could be huge. So then after transfer, will probably ask me for confirmations on the wallet and move the money to Avalanche and give me some wrapped Solana on Avalanche network, which then I would have to unwrap and probably convert to some other coin. That's how these things work. So this is it, guys. Let me know any questions, and as I said, you can go to Wormhole, put your address or transaction, and always check what's going on. If it takes too long, it can take some time to convert the money, move the money from one network to the other, as you can see. But they have tons of networks, and it would be a very nice go-to place to move money between those blockchains. So thank you for watching.